Do you ever wonder how some people seem to effortlessly capture someone's heart and make them obsess over them? It's like they have a secret formula for creating an irresistible connection. Well, get ready to uncover the mystery, because in this video, we'll reveal 3 simple but powerful tricks that can make any woman obsess over you. From building a genuine emotional bond to sparking curiosity with a touch of mystery, these tricks will have her head over heels in no time. Get ready to become the center of her universe with these captivating techniques. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons to show your support. 1. Cultivate a genuine emotional connection. Making a woman obsess over you is not about using tricks or manipulation, but it's about building a genuine emotional connection. This means creating a strong bond that goes beyond physical attraction or flashy gestures. To achieve this, take the time to really know her as a person. Start by having meaningful conversations with her. Talk about her interests, dreams, and goals. Show sincere curiosity in what she has to say, and listen actively. When you pay attention to her words and feelings, it shows that you care about her as an individual, and this helps build trust and comfort between you both. Understanding her emotions and experiences is crucial. Everyone goes through ups and downs in life, and being there to support and empathize with her will make her feel understood and valued. Show genuine concern when she's happy, sad, or facing challenges. This will deepen the emotional bond between you, and she'll see that you genuinely care about her well-being. Honesty and authenticity are vital in cultivating this connection. Be yourself and let her see the real you. Trying to be someone you're not won't lead to a long-lasting bond. When she sees that you are genuine and true to yourself, she'll feel more comfortable being herself around you. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Be reliable and keep your promises. When she knows she can count on you, it creates a sense of security, making it easier for her to open up and be vulnerable with you. Respect her boundaries and choices. Every person has their own limits, and it's essential to respect them. Pushing her to do something she's uncomfortable with or not ready for can damage the emotional connection you've built. Show appreciation and admiration for her qualities and achievements. Compliment her genuinely and celebrate her successes, no matter how big or small. Acknowledging her worth will boost her self-esteem and strengthen her feelings for you. Create memorable experiences together. Shared moments and adventures build a unique connection between two people. Plan activities that interest both of you and create lasting memories. These shared experiences will become cherished moments in your relationship. Communication is key. Be open and transparent about your feelings and intentions. Express your emotions and let her know what she means to you. Honest and heartfelt communication deepens the emotional connection and fosters trust. Patience is essential. Building a genuine emotional bond takes time. Don't rush the process or try to force her feelings. Allow the relationship to develop naturally and let her feelings grow at her own pace. Making a woman obsess over you is not about using tricks or shortcuts, but about building a true emotional connection. Get to know her on a deeper level. Understand her emotions and show genuine care and respect. Be yourself, communicate openly, and create meaningful experiences together. With time, trust, and sincerity, you can foster a strong emotional bond that will make her feel special and cherished. 2. Encourage reciprocity. For a relationship to flourish and endure, both partners need to invest in it equally. Encouraging reciprocity means that both of you contribute and show effort to make the relationship strong and meaningful. Think of it like teamwork. Just like in sports or games, everyone plays their part to win. In a relationship, both partners need to play their part to make it successful. Encouraging her to contribute doesn't mean asking her to do big or expensive things. Instead, it's about finding ways to involve her in the relationship. This can be as simple as planning activities together, like choosing a movie to watch or deciding on a weekend outing. By involving her in the decision-making process, she'll feel valued and that her opinions matter to you. Another way to encourage reciprocity is by sharing responsibilities. This could be as basic as taking turns doing household chores or helping each other with tasks. When you both share the load, it shows that you are in it together, supporting each other through ups and downs. Communication plays a crucial role here. Talk openly with her about how you both can contribute to the relationship. Be honest about your feelings and let her know that you appreciate it when she puts effort into making things work. Likewise, ask her how she feels about the relationship and if there's anything she'd like to do together. Remember, it's not about keeping score or making it a competition. The goal is to create a balanced and harmonious connection. When both of you are invested in the relationship, it becomes a source of joy and fulfillment for both. Financial investment is also a part of reciprocity, but it doesn't mean one person has to pay for everything. Instead, find ways to share expenses or take turns treating each other. For example, you can split the bill on dates or surprise each other with small, thoughtful gifts from time to time. It's important to be understanding and considerate of each other's circumstances. Not everyone may have the same financial means, and that's okay. What matters is the effort and willingness to contribute in whatever way possible. However, it's important to be patient. Reciprocity may not happen overnight, and that's okay. Building a strong and lasting connection takes time and effort from both sides. Focus on understanding each other, communicating openly, and appreciating the little things you do for each other. 3. Be mysterious. If you want a woman to be really interested in you, being a little mysterious can be quite captivating. In today's world, people often share everything about themselves. But if you hold back some information about your feelings and thoughts, it can make her curious and fascinated by you. This curiosity will make her want to know more about you and spend more time with you. But remember, it's essential to strike the right balance. Don't hide everything or play mind games to manipulate her. Instead, share some things about yourself, but keep some parts mysterious to maintain her interest. Let her wonder and imagine what you're like, and she'll be drawn to explore more about the real you. However, being mysterious doesn't mean being distant or unavailable. Show genuine interest in her and be there for her when she needs you. Listen to what she has to say, be supportive, and be present when it's appropriate. This shows that you care about her and value the connection you share. At the same time, it's essential to have your own life and interests. Don't revolve your whole world around her. Show that you have hobbies, friends, and personal space. This demonstrates that you are a confident and independent person, which can be very attractive. Building a mysterious persona isn't about being fake or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about being authentic while keeping some aspects of yourself private. Share your thoughts and feelings when you feel comfortable, but don't rush to reveal everything too soon. Let the connection between you two grow naturally. When you create a sense of mystery, it keeps the excitement alive in the relationship. She'll be curious to learn more about you over time, and that curiosity will deepen her feelings for you. However, always be honest and respectful in your interactions. If she asks questions, answer truthfully, but you don't have to share every little detail right away. Remember, the goal is to make her feel drawn to you, not confused or frustrated. Be genuine, kind, and keep the right balance between being available and staying a bit mysterious. By doing so, you'll make her feel special and excited about getting to know the fascinating person you are. We've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video. For now, goodbye.